And absolutely yes guys, and welcome back guys to my channel, and welcome to this really great and valuable video where I am going to show you and share you and demonstrate you one of the best and one of the most profitable 5 to 15 minutes trading strategies for Forex or CFD trading. So guys, if you can use any platform, you can use any broker. These two strategies guys that I'm gonna show you, you should start practicing them, on day-to-day basis, because they will help you to generate daily profits on day-to-day basis. But guys, these two strategies are really simple but extremely powerful, but they will take some time, to master. But they're extremely powerful guys, and they work big time. So guys, make sure you watch this video until the end, and let's get started. So many of you asked me this question, Andrew, what's the best, short-term trading strategy? Especially after my last live stream, I get so many emails, from you guys asking me about these particular trading strategies, But as you know, there is no magic in trading. There is no best strategy there is, But in this video, I'm gonna share you one of the best strategies for short-term, either going long or going short, for either buy or sell trades in Forex. So yes, so make sure guys make sure you watch, you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you join me in my next live streams, because we analyze markets and we place, and I give you some signals live. And I think the best way to practice is by looking at the live charts. However guys, now guys, let's start with the most profitable short-term 5 to 15 minute strategy number 1. So this first strategy, requires any charting solution, so you can use it on any broker whatsoever. But all we need to place 3 exponential moving average lines. Yes, I have shown you this strategy in my previous videos. I explained you how to go and how to use this strategy. But I still just get so many emails from you asking me to make this video, to make additional explanatory video, which I'm gonna do right now. So this is a really powerful strategy, okay? So what it requires? 3 EMAs. As you can see here on top, because I have 3 EMAs. EMA stands for exponential moving average line. How to get them? Click on indicators. This, by the way, is a tradingview.com free charting solution. So click on indicators, and when you click on indicators, search for EMA, and it's gonna pop up as the first choice in this list, which says moving average exponential. Click 3 times and you're gonna see that you're gonna see these 3 lines on your chart. See these 3 lines that are below or above the candlesticks. So basically speaking, I'm looking at 5-minute chart, and what we are looking for is the candles not to touch any of the exponential moving average lines. Then we are looking for the first candle to touch any of the exponential moving average line, and then we are going to count 5 candlesticks back, and we're gonna see which is the highest level and the lowest level, and we are going to base our buy or sell orders based on these levels. Extremely powerful guys, so make sure you watch it closely. So anyway, what do we see? So let's start from here, okay? So here we can see that the exponential moving average lines are below candlesticks, right? We are looking for these situations. We are looking for situations when no candlesticks does not touch any of the EMAs. Like here, see, they don't touch it here. Nearly touched here, but it didn't. Again, we went up here, and here again, nearly touched, but it didn't. And then we can see that yes, this first candle right here, was the first who touched this EMA. And what we do is we count 5 candlesticks back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From those 5 candlesticks back, we get the highest point and the lowest point. So, and the highest point is our entry for our buy trade, because when the candles are above the EMAs, we are looking for buy orders, okay? Like here, for buy order, because candles are above EMAs. So we're looking for buy orders, and if the candles are below the EMAs, like here, then we're looking for the sell orders. So let's just finish this order. So between this point, and this point, we can see that. Let me just click here. So between this area and this area, there is a 3.5. So, highest point is our entry for the buy order, and our take profit level is simply the difference between the lowest and highest point. So the difference is 0.0035. This is the number we add on to our to our highest price, and this is gonna give us the take profit level. But respectively, guys, what we need to do is simply our take profit level should be our next resistance point. So just look where is the next resistance is around this area right here, and this should be our take profit level. Let me just put this. So our take profit level should be around here, about 1.11556. Let's continue on. Let's just look for more trading opportunities so that you can understand what I'm saying for this first short-term trading strategy. So again, here, candlesticks are above the EMAs, you see? They don't touch the EMAs, they don't touch the EMAs, great, this is what we're looking for. Wait, and then boom, the first candle touched the EMA. This is our trigger candle. So what we do, the same as our strategy says. So we count 5 candlesticks back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our lowest point, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our highest point. Here we go. Oh, sorry. This is our highest point right here. So between this level and this level, we have what? Between this level and this level, we have what is it? It's 8.6. So it's 0.8.6. So it's 0.0086. Okay. So this is the number we need to add on to our highest price, to our entry price, which was here 1.11594, and this should be our entry for the buy. And what happened is, as you can see, what happened is that if you enter here for a buy, here here will be the pending order, and the price goes here, boom. In here we entered the price, and as you can see, the price comfortably went back up. So we will be deep in the profits, okay? Deep in the profits. And make sure that you take a look at an hourly charts to see where is the resistance. So and because the resistance should be our take profit level, right? You know that. Where is our so our resistance is resistance is here. So 1.114. No, our resistance is sorry, this area right here. 1.11 1.11584. But if we enter market in, let's say we enter market in here, then our next resistance will be this area at 1.11818. 1.11818. So we have several resistance areas, but you see, my in my opinion, it's best that you stick with the next resistance area on an hourly chart, okay? Because it's gonna be less risky. So your take profit level for these buy trades should be your next resistance at hourly chart. Yeah, and the exact opposite, guys, for the sell trade. I haven't even seen this part of the chart, and I don't need to, because this strategy is extremely powerful. So again, here, what we see, candlesticks, not touching the EMAs. And now here we see that the first candlestick, touched the EMA right here. So this is our area, and so let's count 5 candlesticks back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our lowest area, and our lowest area is our entry for our sale trade. Oh, sorry, for our sale trade. Let me just do here. See, and look at this. Look at this. So, look at this. So if we enter the market in here, we would have a pending order, and we would enter the market in here. You see, the price went back up here. So make sure that your stop loss is next resistance. Okay, which in this situation would be this area right here. This is a really strong resistance on 5-minute chart. Make sure you also look at an hourly chart, and an hourly chart should, yeah, it confirms this is a resistance. So this is your stop loss level, okay, your stop loss level for this particular trade. Here we go, and we would make a nice deep in the money trade. Right, so strategy number two. This strategy I have actually shown on my channel very long time ago, because this strategy used to be one of the best strategies for binary options back in the day when binary options was very popular. in US and in Europe and in Asia, but not anymore due to regulations. But this can be still used for Forex short-term profits, okay? So what is the strategy? It involves two indicators and two indicators only. One indicator is Bollinger Band. So click on indicators, click on search for Bollinger Band. Is this first choice on the top right here. And the second indicator is stochastics. Click on here, stochastic, and click on stochastics. Stochastics is this first choice right here. And basically speaking, we are looking for two confirmations and two confirmations only. One of which is we are looking for the candlestick to break out. We're looking for the first candlestick to break out of the Bollinger Band, either on the top or on the bottom. If the candlestick is broken on the top of the Bollinger Band, we are looking for the next candlestick opening the opposite direction. And what we are basically looking for, we are looking for the stochastics to cross over between the K line and between the K line and the D line. Okay, so we're looking for the stochastics to make a crossover above the 80 line. I'm gonna start again. So what we're looking for, thing number one, we're looking for the candle to break out the top of the Bollinger Band. Okay. Thing number two, we need to make sure that the stochastics, the stochastics are crossing above the 80 line, like here. And then we're looking for the new candlestick to open and close the opposite direction, which will be this red candle right here. And this will be a sell trade. Yeah, this, as you can see, the price went up here a little bit, but it still steadily, went down. And this is the thing, this is a short-term strategy, so make sure that you do not leave your trades open for too long. As you can see, the trade, the price tends to kind of go up as well, and you will never know in which way the price will go. But if you are opening this trade and for a short period of time, you should see short-term profits. Let me just take a look at the buy order here. So the same opposite for the sell, but make sure you practice this strategy. So for the sale, again, we can see that, for example, here the candlesticks broke the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, but stochastics did not break out of the 20 line. You see? So this is not an indication. Here, however, the candlestick broke out the Bollinger Band on the bottom. The new, then also at the same time we see there was a sharp crossover of the stochastics below 20 line pointing upwards, and the new candle opened and closed the opposite direction. This was our trigger candle for the buy trade. Okay, and again, as usual, we close our trade at next possible resistance, which would be respectively in this area right here. See, there's the resistance area due to this and due to this and this. So we will not see this at this stage, right? So forget about this. We only see that we place trade in here, and we know that we would want to close this trade in here based on this resistance. Okay, and this is strategy, but you make sure you practice this strategy. If you have any questions, please email me at incomementorbox@gmail.com. If you have any questions, any general queries, or if you need assistance in trading, don't hesitate to contact me and ask any questions you may, any questions that could help you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. You're always welcome to join my Income Mentor Box Trading Academy and copy my daily trades from my academy, from my Telegram group, and also learn all my strategies from my academy portal. These are all my strategies. To become a successful online trader. This will help you to become a successful online trader from home, even if you're a complete newbie. But guys, always remember, there is no magic in trading. Education and practice are the most important things. So thank you guys, and see you again on the next video. Bye!